Thursday, October 12th. Boy, we had a crowd here this morning. It was so fun. They called me weeks ago and said that this knitting group that gets together from Chapel Hill wanted to take a road trip down to Bella Filati, which I was like, great. And they were so sweet to call us in advance. So I knew that they were coming, and we got notification that there were going to be 12 of them. And there were 12, and it was lovely having them, but I had all hands on deck, or everybody that was available anyway. So we had 5 Bella Babe working girls in here to try and take care of these 12 women, and they had a wonderful time. They were here for a couple hours and shopped and sat and did some knitting, and then I think they went to lunch, and then they all headed back. So thank you very much, all you ladies from Chapel Hill. It was very fun having you, and I'll look forward to your next visit. All right, I think they were all first timers in the store too, which was really nice. Maybe not all of them, but most of them. So that was exciting too. Lots of new customers. Yay. Okay, so you knew about the Changing Colors retreat that we just had at Lake Junaluska. Well, Cindy at Maggie Valley Yarns contacted Dyed Diva, yarn dyer out of Charlotte, and she made us a custom color for the event. Now, if that doesn't look like lake and fall leaves and beautiful zinnias still blooming and dahlias and the sky, I don't know what does. It is so happy and pretty, hand-dyed Diva. She'll love the way she puts a little sparkle on her label. This is custom just for that event, and this is what was left. So it's called the Custom Color for Changing Colors Retreat 2023. This is it. We won't make any more, so if you love it, get it. It is $38 a skein. It is fingering weight. It is 424 yards, and it is a hand wash. It's not a super wash. So gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I mean, they're just gorgeous. Some dye a little brighter than it's just yummy. So let me know if you want it. I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I have 12 skeins, and then it's gone. All right, don't miss it. All righty. I think that's all I have for today. Friday, tomorrow, Friday. Oh my gosh, let's pray for all those people in all of the citizens of Israel and the nonviolent citizens of Palestine. Just a tragic, tragic, tragic situation. So scary, so inhumane, so beyond belief. Anyway, keep all of them. I will keep all of them in my prayers, and I would hope that you would as well. It's a scary, scary time. All right. A beautiful day today. We got some rain. We needed it. So life is good. At least it is here in Southern Pines. We feel blessed. Lucky us. All right. I will see you tomorrow.